Hey guys, in this video there will be no intro or outro because my channel is on the verge of getting terminated, so this is quite serious to talk about because many of you may wonder why I haven't uploaded any video in the past 3 to 4 weeks. So if you have not gone to the community section of my channel, and here around 2 to 3 weeks ago I have uploaded an update saying that CD Projekt themselves, the real company, took down the 3 videos about Cyberpunk that I did. The one about how to download the game for free and the other 2 videos on how to update the game to the latest version. And these guys took down the 3 of my videos and they gave me 2 strikes instead of 3. You may say that CD Projekt took down 3 of my videos, so basically that I have gotten 3 strikes. Well, no. It is possible that way, of course, but what CD Projekt did, this is really nice of them. If I go in the active copyright strikes in YouTube Studio, you'll see that I have 2 out of 3 strikes. But if I click that and I scroll down, you will see that the 3 videos about Cyberpunk are right here. And here in the top one, you will see 2 videos are in the same section. Because if I hover on top of the question mark, it says sometimes a single strike can include multiple videos. So what CD Projekt did, they took down both of those videos and they count it as 1 strike. Because if they did it otherwise, for example, if they took down the 3 of my videos and they counted it as 3 strikes in total, so 1 for each video, my channel would have been gone by now. So thank God that they did it like that. I didn't know that and I found it out when those 2 videos got taken down. And yeah, what will happen with my channel right now? So of course I will upload less videos, because if I upload a video I will have the fear that someone or a company will take down my video and give me a copyright strike. And if that happens, my channel will be gone. And I will upload less videos till the oldest copyright strike expires, which will be April 4th. And that's when I will start uploading videos normally. If you didn't know, if you get 3 out of 3 strikes, YouTube will not terminate your channel in the next few minutes or hours. They will actually terminate your channel in 1 week. So basically, if I have gotten 3 strikes right now, my channel will get deleted next week. So that's really nice of them. It's like YouTube is letting you to gather whatever you want from your channel that will get terminated. And yeah, if my channel gets terminated, I will of course post an update right here in the community section saying that my channel will be gone. And what will happen after my channel gets terminated, I will make a second channel of course, and it will be Alex Tutorials 2. So next to the name there will be a 2, and it will be the same profile picture and the same banner. So if my channel gets terminated, search for Alex Tutorials 2 and that will be my official second channel. And yeah, that's everything it, and let's pray to God that my channel does not get terminated. And yeah, thank you for understanding, and I'll see you in the future.